Today our learning target is I can find a fractional part of a group by using my knowledge of fractions and the models I created. So you're going to want to have your journal open to the halves, fourths, and eighths page, and you're probably going to want to have the thirds and sixths page as well. We're going to start with problem number 1, and I've written it here on the video. It says Ethan has 24 marbles. He gives 2/8 of his collection to his sister Ruby. How many marbles does Ruby get? So we're going to use our cubes, and we're going to circle the numbers. 24 and 2/8. We're going to underline the question, box the action word, and evaluate the problem. So Ethan has 24 marbles. I first want to draw a diagram that will help me with this problem. So I'm going to draw 24 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now the reason why I wanted you to have your journals out is because this model looks very similar to the ones that we've been working with in class. It is a 4 by 6 array, and so I have a total of 24 marbles. I want to divide my example into 2/8. So if you need to remember how to divide this model into 8 parts, you can look at your journal. I know that if I divide my model into fourths and then cut each fourth in half, I will have 8s. So I should have 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each part has 1, 2, 3 marbles in it. If Ethan gives 2/8 of the marbles to his sister, then he will be giving 6 marbles. That's 1/8 and 2/8. 2/8 is equal to 6 24ths, or 6 out of 24. So he gets to keep the rest of the marbles, and he's going to give 6 of the marbles to his sister Ruby. And if we write that in a sentence, answering the question, how many marbles does Ruby get? It would be Ruby gets 6 marbles. Remember to have a capital and a period for your sentence. If you're looking at your models that you created in your journal, 2/8 looks just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of the 24 take up 2/8. So this is another way that helps me know that I was right, that it's 6 marbles. Our second question. Ruby has a collection of 24 toy cars. She gives 3/4 of her collection to Ethan. How many toy cars does Ethan get? So again, we're going to circle the numbers, underline the question, and box the action word. Now we need to evaluate the problem. How are we going to solve this? I notice I have the number 24 again. I could draw 24 toy cars. It would be a lot easier for me to use circles again. I'm going to create another 4 by 6 array to show 24. So I have a 4 by 6. This time I need to divide it into 4 equal parts because I'm looking at 3/4. So that's pretty simple. Cut it in half, cut it in half again, And I'm looking at, she's going to give 3/4 of her collection to Ethan. So this is 1, 2, 3/4. That would be 6, 12, 18. So 3/4 is equal to 18 24ths, or 18 out of the 24, the total. And our number sentence, looking at our question again, how many toy cars does Ethan get? Ethan gets, I'm taking this number here, the number that I circled, 3/4 worth, 18 toy cars. Remember to have a capital and a period at the end. Again, if I'm looking at my model in my journal, I look for 3/4, and it's divided into 4. I have 6, 12, 18 boxes filled in, so that's 18 out of 24. It's another way to prove that I had the right answer. Continue to use your journal to help you as much as you need to. All of your problems are out of 24, but your fractions will change. So make sure that you're looking at the denominator of each fraction to know how many pieces you need to divide your rectangle into. Mr. Garling and Ms. Foos will be around to help you. Please do your very best. Thank you so much.